Today we got a new rear seat, so let's check it out. Let's unbox it first. As you can see, it's packaged very well, so it doesn't get destroyed while being shipped. R608. This is supposed to be like a cover, not like a seat to sit on, like a cover, because it looks very nice. I have to get this also. So let's see it for the first time. Holy shit, this looks very nice. Clean as hell. Holy shit. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the bike. Okay guys, so right now this is the old seat. I'm gonna change it for the new one. This is the new one. Put it in like this. Here's the key. Okay, it's in. Looks way better in my opinion. Very sick. Very cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.